Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Diya Prelims, the current affairs initiative where we discuss the important current affairs. So अभी ये देख के क्या लग रहा है? Yes, you have read it right. Very important source for art and culture which we have discovered, which we cannot ignore at all when we are preparing for this exam. Art and culture has always been one of the pain area for the UPSC aspirants. Sources समझ में नहीं आते हैं. एक ही दो important book लगती हैं, NCERTs and Nitin Singhania. So that only we refer and we think that we are ready. But again, when we enter in the examination hall, the the art and culture component will be new only. There will be surprise elements. Then we feel like यार कैसे prepare करें, छोड़ देते हैं. But yes, we have discovered very important source for art and culture, which definitely we cannot ignore. And there is a reason you will understand that why we cannot ignore, because the kind of information this source is providing, when you will go through that, when you will understand that, then you will realize, yes, definitely we cannot ignore that. So let's have a look. So before we discuss about the source, let's have a look at the question. Questions के through हम सब कुछ discuss करते हैं. पहले question समझ लेते हैं. So consider the following craft or art and the states. You have to decide whether the respective matches में जो states दिए गए हैं वो correctly match है नहीं. Which of the above matches is or are correct? Tally work, UP, is it correct or not? Ari work, Kashmir, is it correctly matched or not? Then we have बाग painting. Painting, वो एक तरीके की painting है. बाग वो वाली painting नहीं जो cave के अंदर होती है. We are not talking about that. So mind it. ठीक है, उसका भी नाम बाग पेंटिंग है, लेकिन वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग हियर अबाउट बाग पेंटिंग विच इज डन इनसाइड द केव्स. काष्ठकला भी देखते हैं. सो राजस्थान बाग पेंटिंग, वेस्ट बंगाल आरी वर्क कश्मीर, टली वर्क यूपी. ओनली वन पेयर इज करेक्ट, ओनली टू पेयर इज करेक्ट, ओनली थ्री पेयर इज करेक्ट, और ऑल आर करेक्ट. ओके, सो वी हैव टू पेयर्स आर करेक्ट और थ्री पेयर्स आर करेक्ट और ऑल आर करेक्ट. दैट वी हैव टू टेल. Now, why we are discussing this? Because while reading, we came across this particular source while we were covering the issues from the current affairs. Then we got this page. So this is the page of Ministry of Culture. उनका Twitter जो handle है, Twitter account है, उसका है ये, ठीक है? And this is Ministry of Culture, their Twitter handle. There they keep updating about they are promoting different art, different crafts, different dance. They are talking about history, they are talking about personality. So this becomes very important, because whatever we have discussed or the question which we have framed, everything has been discussed here. Everything has been taken from this, the tweets of Ministry of Culture. ठीक है, एक एक करके discuss करेंगे, then you will understand. But yes, not everything is important for UPSC. So if you are referring this source, then be selective as well कि UPSC में क्या पूछा जा सकता है. But this source is very important. Once you refer it, Ministry of Culture tweet, Google करना, आपको सारे tweets मिलेंगे. Personalities, literature, art, architecture, craft, everything is there. We will see one by one, then you will understand. So this is Kaasthkala. So Ministry of Culture has given this Kaasthkala. And this Kaasthkala is from Uttar Pradesh, and it is in उत्तर प्रदेश के छोटे से गांव में. ये अंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तर पर वुड क्राफ्ट सिटी के नाम से जाना जाता है, नागिन काष्ठकला. ठीक है, तो ये उत्तर प्रदेश में होता है. काष्ठकला उत्तर प्रदेश के बिजनौर स्थित नगीना नाम के स्थान से संबंधित है. They have given in Hindi itself, so I am telling you. So in Bijnor district there is a village called Nagina. Okay, and from there this Kaasthkala is coming. So it is a wooden craft, as you can see here. Okay, and the wood is used for it will be crafted for decoration purpose, for day-to-day purposes, and this unparalleled wooden work is very famous. It has its global reach. Okay, so this was posted. Now you know. So this Kaasthkala is from Uttar Pradesh. It is given नगीना की काष्ठकला. सो रिमेंबर दैट, कहीं कहीं राजस्थान से भी मिलता है, बट नगीना की काष्ठकला. नगीना इज इन बिजनौर. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट वाज देयर? अभी ये है बाग पेंटिंग. सो हियर इट इज रिटन बाग पेंटिंग. डू यू नो अबाउट दिस ट्रेडिशनल ब्लॉक प्रिंट आर्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश। सो बाघ से आप बाघ पेंटिंग मार सकते हो, वी हैव गिवन वेस्ट बंगाल, बट लेकिन ये पेंटिंग अगर आता है ट्रेडिशनल ब्लॉक पेंटिंग, ब्लॉक प्रिंट, बाघ ब्लॉक प्रिंट, सो ये साड़ीज पे होता है। बाघ प्रिंट इन्वॉल्व्स हैंड प्रिंटिंग ऑफ डिजाइंस ऑन फैब्रिक्स यूजिंग नेचुरल डाइज, ओके, एंड दिस इज आर्ट फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश। नाउ यू नो द आंसर। And Bagh print, it is wooden hand block print and it is believed to be 1000 years old. 1000 years old, and it originated around the Indus Valley and through Khatri community. ठीक है, तो खत्री कम्युनिटी भी इन्वॉल्व थी इसमें, लेकिन ये अभी हम किसके रेस्पेक्ट में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं आपको पता चल गया। नेक्स्ट, देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन पोस्टेड बाय द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर ऑन देयर ट्वीट, on their Twitter. So they tweeted this image and they are asking which of these embroideries are not from Kashmir, and they have given tilla work. So we have given TILA, ignore that, TILLA, tilla work. चिकनकारी अगर आपको पता है you can eliminate, but यहाँ पे इन्होंने चूज करने को दिया है। Then Ari work. So which of these are not from Kashmir? So definitely you know that चिकनकारी is not from Kashmir. You can eliminate अगर यूपीएससी में दिया है तो, लेकिन यूपीएससी में अगर मैच में दे दिया then what will you do? So let's discuss about the Kashmiri Ari. So it is one of the old fashioned forms of embroidery in India. So it is embroidery from Kashmir, from Gujarat as well sometimes. Ari embroidery is done with a pen-like needle that matches the shape of crochet hooks. So that is one information. Second is tilla work. Tilla work is again embroidery, also known as tilla dozi. It is from Kashmir and woven with a metallic thread on a needle point. So ये जो दोनों हैं, tilla work and Ari work, they are from Kashmir. Ari sometimes is also done in Gujarat, तो कभी कभी उससे भी एसोसिएट कर लेते हैं, राइट। सो अभी हम लोगों ने 3 ट्वीट्स देखे बस, और उन 3 ट्वीट्स पे हमने क्वेश्चन बनाया है। सो इफ यू वांट अस टू कम अप विद, like if you want us to filter and come up with such art and culture related information from Ministry of website, Ministry of Culture's Twitter handle, then you can let us know in the comment section. Let us know whether you are really like you want it or not. ठीक है? Now let's revisit the question again. So the question is saying, consider the following art and the states. Tali work, you know, Kashmir. Ari work, Kashmir. Bagh painting, Madhya Pradesh. काष्ठकला उत्तर प्रदेश, नगीना की काष्ठकला उत्तर प्रदेश। सो ओनली वन, दैट इज आरी वर्क इन कश्मीर, ओनली वन पेयर इज करेक्ट, ठीक है। सो 2 pairs आर नॉट करेक्ट, 3 pairs आर नॉट करेक्ट, ऑल आर नॉट करेक्ट। सो नाउ यू नो द आंसर। होप यू रियली got to know the importance of this source and how government is promoting art and culture, different art traditions, different craft traditions of the country. When you will visit this page, you will also get to know about different types of personalities, their literature, their work. So indeed it is very very important source. जब भी टाइम मिले इसको एक बार ट्वीट्स देख लेना, कुछ नोट्स बना लेना, and if you want us to come up with the important जो भी points एग्जाम्स के लिए important है, यहाँ से we can frame questions and we will give it to you. Yeah, do let us know about it. Okay, and this is it in today's video, and the answer was A. So current affairs is very important. We should know the sources, we should know what can be asked. So this was our attempt in that direction. Take care, revise very well, and remember the source. Okay, see you all, bye bye.